Gone down the drain. Understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, gone down the drain. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering English, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, if you're ready to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. The phrase, gone down the drain, is used to describe something that has been wasted, lost, or has become useless, especially after a lot of effort or resources have been spent. It conjures the image of water flowing down a drain, disappearing without a trace. This idiom can apply to time, money, opportunities, and even hard work that didn't yield the expected results. Understanding where idioms come from can make them easier to remember. The exact origins of gone down the drain are a bit murky, much like the water it refers to. However, it is believed to have originated from the early 20th century, drawing from the literal act of substances being washed away down drains and sewers, never to be recovered. To grasp the idiom's use better, let's look at a few examples. After the new policy changes, all our hard work on the project has gone down the drain. He felt like his efforts to reconcile the relationship had gone down the drain when they decided to break up. Investing in that startup was money gone down the drain. These examples show how the idiom can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the loss or wastefulness of a situation. Using idioms correctly can help you sound more fluent and natural. Here are some tips for using gone down the drain. 1. Context is key. Make sure the situation involves loss or wastefulness. 2. Keep it informal. This idiom is best used in casual conversations or informal writing. 3. Practice. Try creating your sentences with the idiom to become more comfortable using it. We hope this exploration of the idiom, gone down the drain, has been enlightening and fun. Idioms like this one are a doorway to sounding more like a native speaker and understanding the language's nuances. Keep practicing, and don't let your efforts go down the drain. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.